Good morning, guys, and welcome back. So, birds look quite excited and ready. So, I let these young birds out today. Look at how big he got considering the older pigeons. That's definitely a very big. He's just like his father. He's quite big in size too. And yeah, I let them out. But let's first have a look at our babies. Look at these. Mama, can you get out, please? So, the one has a darker beak and the one has a white and black beak. So, that's definitely, I think, two different colors. We'll see what we get. But, yeah, they are missing on the food. So, what I do is there are certain types of seed the older birds don't eat, like the corn you can see, and there's another seed that I don't know what it is. Older birds don't, the breeders don't like it. So what I do is I take that and put it to the birds outside, so that I don't have to waste any more seed, and they really like it. Come on, go. So you can see what I do is the data. The data. I'm so into office work. What I do is the seed that's like. Look at that. They laid another egg, and I don't have a foster pair, so that's definitely they are going to raise it. What's here is they left the corn too. Look at these babies. They are very dark red. So I'm going to. They are not eating the corn. I don't know why, because that's. I think that's because of the temperature. These days it's getting very hot here. Very hot actually. I don't know if that's the reason or not, but they are like completely avoiding the corn, and yeah, they came back already. On the other hand, they are eating the seeds, so I'll wait until they finish and then we'll fly them. So the birds start flying. I'm not getting flying any older bird because they are heavily molting at the moment. So what they do is they let the young birds come down too. And the new thing is that one of the young bird actually is flying at the moment, the mealy bar with white feathers. So yeah, he's the one that's on the back. So that's quite good. He's actually getting down enough. He's actually new, that's why he's doing this, like he's not very used to flying. So that's actually good. He looks quite strong considering he's only a month old. Let's see. So one of the young birds that was the first timer is actually down. I tried to bring him down, so because he was like circling around and was getting tired, so now only the mature birds, like the one that's older, are flying. So let's see how they are. They are actually trying to go above, up and up. That's really good. The more they range, the easier it is in the training tosses. So yeah, let's see. So the birds are still flying, and yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to let that uh, open, so when they come down they go inside, and yeah, let's see if they come back while I'm here, but I don't think so because I'm getting late for the office. So I let that open, so when they come back they go inside. So that was it for today. I hope you guys like it. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.